Good morning, everyone. Welcome to March. We're now exactly 1 week away from objective response exams and 2 weeks away from the constructive response exams. And this is normally the point where revision either feels completely under control or slightly overwhelming. And if that's you, please know it's completely normal. The key now is focused, structured preparation. And I wanted to remind you of a couple of things that might be helpful to you at this stage. Firstly, I've got some Udemy test questions. If you need a little bit of extra practice to build your confidence or identify gaps or improve your timing, they're a really great way to test your knowledge under pressure and identify where those gaps are so you can focus your revision on where it matters most. There's a promotion running at the moment for the next 5 days. I'll pop the code in the comments below. But secondly, I'm running some constructive response revision sessions over the next 2 weekends. So these workshops are run by me, your Procurement Study Buddy. They're live sessions for attendees only. They will not be recorded and they'll not be shared with anybody else. And during those sessions, we're going to recap on the key learning outcomes per module, work through some practice questions and answers together, and focus on exam techniques and try and consolidate your understanding in a practical, interactive environment. During the session, you can ask me questions, we can talk through approaches and build real confidence before the exam. And I'll also share the materials with attendees after the session so you can continue revising afterwards. So if you'd like to join, I'm going to drop the Eventbrite link in the comments below. And also, if you've got any questions, feel free to email me. I'll put my email address in the comments too. You're closer than you think. Stay consistent, stay focused, and keep going. You've got this.